Hi everybody, this is Sam here. Today I'm coming up with a new video. I will show you to how to make your computer a little bit faster. Sometimes you might be doing something on your computer and it's running a little bit slow. The browser, your Google Chrome, your Firefox probably sometimes it might be slow like a little bit. So what you have to do, what I usually do, and it works for me pretty well. I open up, I press the button Windows on my keyboard here. Just press it, and oh yeah, I press the Windows R, and I can see the little one search here in the right side down. Here we can type prefetch. Yeah, it's like yeah, make sure you tap it right so you don't miss. You can run it. Can run it the best way, and you have the the feature here, and you can definitely go ahead. What you have to do here, you have to select all of those documents. Of thing I call them documents, but they're not documents. They are things you get from the internet, which literally um save in your computer and your browser, make it slower. You can just hit the control button here and click on the ready boot. You don't have to delete it, and you hit shift delete. Okay, shift delete. That will be all of those will be deleted automatically from your computer. Try again to skip it. Some of them don't have you don't have to remove all of them. But if you do that, you can just because you know the computer while you're doing that, there is some service running in the background. That's the reason why you're still seeing the DLL host that exe, but they don't worry about it. Just close it out. Okay, and another thing that I usually do, it works pretty fine for me. It is the a comment that I usually want run in the CMD, you have to click on the Windows button here and type CMD. Right click on it, you have to run it as administrator, and then that will be yeah, you're getting a black screen. Okay, first of all, what you have to do, you have to access the C drive and type C, and that you're inside it, and then you type dir, like the word dirty. So you type dir slash s. Okay, that will be able to clean up your computer, like to make it faster, any faster. Those always works for me, and I do it all the time to have my computer run faster. Like when I'm doing some, I don't get any delay and anything. But yeah, that's what I do. And usually you might have to clear your cookies and cache in the browser, in the Chrome browser. You go there, you go to settings, and you clear everything out there. You clear everything, like you go to, you might click cookies. Yeah, yeah, there it is. You just click on clear browser all the time, or all the time, or the last 24 hours, 7 days, or 4 weeks. Yeah, you can definitely do that. If that doesn't work for you, you might have to reset your computer because when you reset it, you might choose to remove everything. But to reset it, you have to click on the Windows button there. Click on Windows button, and you go to settings, and you tap in the search bar and find the settings. You type reset. You should see reset this PC. You might reset it, like clean up everything from the beginning, like if you had it formatted, and just remove everything. There is an option here too. You might have to click to keep your all your files. You know, You might have to, if you want to keep your files, your personal documents, all that, you can do that. If you don't want, you can just remove everything, and the computer will be like if it was a brand new computer. You have to set up your name, everything, your time zone, everything. Yeah, that will work, and you have a. You don't have to reformat it, but sometimes I do, but you don't have to do that. If you're getting error while you're doing it, you might have to have a USB to boot it to restore your computer. Press F10, F11, depends on the brain of your computer, and do it. Yeah, that worked. But thank you guys for watching my video. Uh, if you like it, just go ahead and leave a comment for me. I will be, that will be so much appreciated. Subscribe to my channel for new video. Thank you so very much. Bye now.